Hi all, welcome to Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make a chat, black Channa chat, Kala Channa. It's a very healthy dish. For this we have to cut onion and tomato very small, chopped nicely. The reason is we are going to put it as a raw. We are not going to cook it. So try to cut it very slow, very finely chopped one so that it get mixed with the masala and taste good. In the meantime, I have cooked the black Channa. I soak it in water for 8 hours and then I cooked it. It has a little bit of water left out. I cooked with a little bit of salt. So the water which is cooked is really a healthy one. I am trying to take that water out. I am filtering and I am taking the water out. In that water, I am going to add some masalas, like a half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and half a spoon of cumin powder, and half spoon of garam masala powder, and salt for the taste. And I am adding jaggery, this for sweetness, 1 spoon of jaggery. It gives us very special taste. I have taken a groundnut oil in the pan, adding a hing and a pinch of hing and 1 spoon of cumin seed. Once it gets splattered, add curry leaves, then add the mixed masala. Try to stir the masala continuously because we have added masalas as well as the liquid is protein liquid, so it try to get thick. So keep stirring, otherwise it gets stick under the pan. Once it cooked for 2 minutes, you can see the oil started coming out. Once it cooked, add the boiled Channa and keep stirring for 3 to 5 minutes. This Channa is one of the healthiest Channa compared to the white one, so try to add it in a weekly once so that it gives you better health. Once you stirred everything, just close the lid for some time and keep stirring in between. After 5 minutes, I am switch off the flame and adding raw onion and tomato. Just mix it and close the lid. I have chopped a very nicely ginger pieces in the juliennes. You can cut as small as possible just for an aroma and taste. Just add it in the closed pan, mix it, and you will get an yummy chat. You can have it with puppet. It tastes very yummy. Thank you for watching.